Now I just made a fresh batch of banana muffins, but to be honest, they look a little sad, so I want to jazz it up with some buttercream, a vanilla buttercream. It is delicious. Simple ratios to remember. This is 150 grams of softened butter, and I'm just going to break it even further, and then I'm gradually going to add in some icing sugar. Now this is 1 3/4 cup of icing sugar that I've sifted. It makes such a difference. You want to add this slowly till we get a really fluffy consistency. Okay, you can see that our buttercream is coming together. To loosen it up, you just need a small amount of milk, about a teaspoon. And now to give it that wonderful vanilla taste, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla bean paste, which is equivalent to 1 vanilla pod. I like to have this on standby for frostings just like this. And I love when you start to incorporate it into the frosting, all those little speckles of vanilla. So now I'm going to give this another really good whisk, place this into a piping bag, and then simply pipe on to our beautiful banana muffins. So I've also just placed a nozzle into my piping bag so we get that lovely print, and I just love how you can see the speckles of vanilla. And to take this one step further, I'm going to adorn each of these muffins with some sweet confetti. At home I have a little sweet Trixie box that I love to add all of these little decorations. For those times when you've got people coming over, you want to make some muffins and make them look extra special. I love this. Look at that. Just makes me very happy.